All right, guys, welcome. So we are going to talk about EBET in this video. I want to address some things. First of all, we're going to talk about in detail what happened with the 8K filing that came out on August 21, right? So we'll look at that, and before we look at that, we'll also look at some comments that people are leaving on social media about EBET. One is funny. Yes, the two, I guess you can say, are funny. The one is just sad. Right? It's sad. It's to the point of like, stop, because I'm all for a stock going up, but don't spread stupidity, because if you're spreading things that make no sense, you're discouraging people from getting into a stock. Or if they get in and the stock goes sour, then stupidity is revealed, right? So now TLS, guys, before I talk about EBET, check it out. It is going up. I was talking about this in my Discord. I actually talked about TLS in my Discord even before this post that I made, but they're going up because they got a 5-year contract with Defense Information Systems Agency. All right, so I made a YouTube short video on EBET when it was 4 cents, right? So you can see it here, 0.0441. This is when I had made that YouTube video, short video on EBET, and basically I said in my video that it would go higher, and it did. After my short, about within a few days later, it went from the 4 cents that it was trading all the way up to 11 cents, I think it reached, right? So that was insane gain all within a few days. What has EBET done since then? It's down. It is struggling to reach 7 cents lately, right? And one of the dumb things going on. Dumb. And this is not people's fault. This is from a website called beststocks.com, right? In my opinion, this is stupid information, because basically what they said was they made it out to be this huge mysterious block trade that occurred involving EBET off the market. Block trades off the market, if they're huge, they're in the millions, not 500,000 shares like it says in this article. Because I'm not saying 506,000 shares weren't traded. That's not a huge block trade. That's stupid. Come on, 506,000 shares. That's like 30,000, 35,000 bucks. If somebody wanted to do this, more than one person could do this. This is not a huge block trade, right? So whatever. But they made it out to seem. They made this article seem like, this is huge. The people were left with this idea that the person bought the shares. Someone's taking a huge, insane amount, a huge position in EBET. Like I said, 506,000 shares is like 35,000, 36,000 bucks. That's not a huge position in a stock that has outstanding shares of 400 million, right? So, and it also goes on to say in the article that we don't know whether this block trade was a buy or sell, right? An article basically that's useless in my opinion. I'm sorry to say that, but it's useless. It's useless. You're just saying what, right? And people ran off with it on social media and are converting it into what they wanted to believe. But whatever. Hope is a good thing. EBET. Now this guy's a logical guy. EBET. Every day this thing pops pre-market only to lose it all by open. Then after its 5-10% drop, decides to regain half of it after hours. Yeah, that's what it does. Goes up, market, lately, right? But to be fair, it's gone up quite a bit. Like I said, my YouTube short video on EBET was at 4 cents. Now it's trading nearly 7 cents. So EBET, the beast is waking up, said this guy. And he said this today. The beast is not waking up. The beast has been on a sideways mode, struggling to stay at 7 cents for the past 4 days. Right, so I don't know where this beast is. I don't see it, and it's definitely sleeping the way I'm looking at it. All right, but like I said, it was 4 cents. It's nearly 7 cents now. It's not bad. I do believe that EBET will go higher, right? But don't expect it like people are saying. Today, tomorrow, it's going to go to 20 cents. They actually are saying this, and they believe it. No, it's not going to happen. If it goes to 20 cents, it's going to take a while. Within a month, guys. But within a month, we also have something else we have to consider. We'll get to that 8K filing in a little bit. A comment that's, I'm not making fun of this person, but it's a comment that makes no sense, guys. There's no point in making this comments. There's no point. It's useless comments. When they say, EBET, take this with a grain of salt. As soon as you start the sentence with take this with a grain of salt, what's the point? Just stop. Don't even type anymore. Quit it. Don't even post. What's the point of saying something with a grain of salt? Anyways, but there was an announcement on Moomoo saying that EBET is going to merge with Penn Entertainment. One second. Please, people, this is frustrating to me. When companies make announcements, press releases, they don't make them first on Moomoo. They don't. They make them on Globe Newswire, Business Wire, Cision, right? That's where the press releases go. And then Moomoo app integrated with the RSS feed of Globe Newswire or whatever is going to grab that article and put it on Moomoo. So no, EBET did not make any groundbreaking, crazy new PR on Moomoo. All right, so stop that. That it's going to merge with Penn Entertainment, that was quickly deleted. Apparently Fox is going to make an announcement today at 10 a.m. Eastern. I am hoping this is true. You know what? We can all dream and then we wake up, right? So no, Penn Entertainment and ESPN have no need for EBET. I'm sorry. Like I said, I am bullish on EBET. I do believe it's going to go even higher. I was bullish at 4 cents. I'm bullish on EBET at 7 cents. But no, Penn Entertainment and ESPN has no need for EBET. So we have to stop saying things that make no sense. Like I said, spreading information based on nothing, saying take it with a grain of salt, and then saying this wild imaginations, it doesn't help people get in the stock. If you want people to invest in the stock, say something more logical, in my opinion. 8K filing came out on August 21. What does this say? It says here, as previously reported on November 21, 2022, EBET received a deficiency letter from the listing qualifications department, and that had to do with $1 per share, right? And it received a 180-day extension. That 180-day extension, they're telling you in this 8K filing, is going to expire on November 20th, 2023. So the stock itself, up until November 20th, 2023, has an opportunity to pump itself if it wants to somehow save itself from this NASDAQ listing requirement. But there's something more serious. Forget November 20th, because I don't know if we're going to even reach November 20th, because on October 12th, 2023 is the most important date you should keep in mind. If you're planning on holding EBET for a long time, you should keep in mind the date October 12, 2023. That is because on July 31, 2023, the company was notified by the staff that it had determined that the company's common stock had a closing bid price of 10 cents or less for 10 consecutive trading days. Accordingly, since the company was subject to the provisions set forth under listing rule blah blah blah, the staff had determined to delist the company's securities from NASDAQ capital markets. The company submitted a hearing request, and that hearing request will be on October 12, 2023. Basically, on October 12, 2023, it's going to be the decision of whether EBET is going to be delisted from the NASDAQ. But if EBET can get itself high, over $1, let's say, before that, and keep that for at least 10, 20 consecutive days, they should be fine, in my opinion. And then October 12, 2023 won't be needed, I'm guessing, right? August 15, 2023, the company received a letter from the staff which notified the company that it does not presently comply with NASDAQ's listing rule, which requires the company to maintain a minimum of $2.5 million in stockholders' equity. All right, so that can also be sold, but I think the most important part is this on October 12, 2023. Basically, according to this, plus the fact that this company had let's go back now, it's trading at 0.683 as I'm doing the video, but the fact that they had record-breaking revenue in 2022 at 58.6 million, which doesn't mean anything really, because if you look at the what they finished 2022, net income was negative $46 million, plus the debt, plus the expenses, and so on. The company wasn't even profitable in any way, shape, or form, right? Net income total, what is it? Negative $46 million. But it is promising that you see the revenue at 58, which is record-breaking, and they'll have their earnings next and see what happens with that. what I wanted to say is that the company, this stock basically has a really good shot at being a stock that could get pumped, right? Usually, because it has a lot of volume also, every single day, tons and tons of volume. And then you have this negative catalyst, right, that are with their dates. And in my opinion, from experience speaking, and not from a fact, but just from experience, this sort of stocks, especially with all the volume that they have and this negative important dates, they usually go up. They usually go up quite a bit before any of these dates start hitting and so on. How high can it go? I don't know, but I think at 7 cents, or the 0.0683 that it is right now, it's got to go to 8, 9, 10, 11 cents again, in my opinion. So if someone were to get in at this price, they would still be able to gain. Past 5 days, basically, it's been going sideways. My opinion overall is that trading EBET is still, in my opinion, I'm not saying you should do that, it's still a good entry. It'll go back to 10, 11 cents. Someone wants to get out at that from 0.683 that it is right now to 11, I think would be amazing. But to hold and say I'm going to hold it for the long term because it's got a price target of $3 and all that, it might end up working out, it might not. There's some risks, things going on with the October and November dates, but let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, and thank you very much for watching this video.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. With 90% accurate trade predictions, we have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.